guys, I'm back. So I just finished, oh my god, pulling out my braids on a live stream. It was fun. I know I'll have like all that, you can see right there. I still have the elastic bands to pull out, so I'm doing that now. But I'm going to be dyeing my hair myself. Well, it's the first time using box dye in my hair actually. For those of you who are following the oh my god, this just been like so sting me. But for those of you who have been following the channel, I bleached and dyed my hair. Oh my god, it was basically on a whim, and it was for the first time in September. I never really wanted to bleach it, but alas, we did. The color has since faded quite a bit. Like it has a little bit of a red tint to it because it was dyed red, and red is a little bit of like a there's a color that kind of stains. But I am equipped. I have two hair colors. I couldn't find this one at the store, and my mom already had this one, and she was saying that my hair is enough and I need more than one box for my hair, so I had to buy a next box when I was on my way, and I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow. But first I have to make sure my hair is detangled. I'm gonna come back and you're gonna get a time lapse of me detangling my hair actually, because that's crazy. And then I'll see you tomorrow after that, when I will next speak to you. Instructions reading time. My hair is sectioned into 4. Now I'm gonna show you a picture of what I'm attempting to do. Except in the picture the girl has brown and red hair, but I'm gonna be doing red and red hair, just red and a different type of red. So you see they're actually pretty similar. This one is just supposed to be brighter. In the picture, as you can see, the darker colors in the middle, and then but honestly I feel like it doesn't really matter which way around I do it. I just hope I hope I'm not wasting dye. Like I hope I use all of it, but I also have a lot of hair, so like I'm being dramatic. So I'm reading the instructions, and then I'm gonna mix both, and then I'm gonna section these further into 2. I'm gonna make sure I get that round situation going. I need a scissors. I need something to make it feel like I'm not messing up the place, because I'm not going to the bathroom because my bathroom is white. Everything is white in there. Now I know that the scalp process is faster, but my scalp is like totally dark virgin hair and the rest is light. So I think that if I start from the scalp, it won't give me hot roots, because there's no way this is going to process and get lighter than this. Like, does that make sense to me? It's red. Like if I was doing like a lighter hair color, then sure, but I'm not. I'm doing red. So to me that makes sense. To me that makes sense. Like I don't want to do this and then do the roots, and then the roots literally are still dark, which they, I mean, if it's gonna, my hair, what my hair is really gonna look like is the roots are gonna be darker, but they're still gonna be red. It's gonna be darker and go and there's gonna be a lot of dimension and whatever, but I think that I can apply roots to tips actually. But this is saying start at the front, and it's saying to apply right after mixing, but I want to mix two. But I think that shouldn't be that serious. Like, I'm being dramatic. Look at the timer. Oh my god, I'm just gonna read it, but it's like chemically treated hair 25 minutes, natural hair 30 minutes, and gray or resistant hair 30 minutes. Bleached hair to me is chemically treated, so my hair is all of those things. So I'm gonna do 30 minutes. I'm gonna do 30 minutes anyway. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and part my hair into how I'm gonna dye it right now, and then mix them both, and then I'm just like I got feet. Alright, we're gonna use this one as an example, but like darker and brighter red. Does that make sense? And then it's not even like my hair. It's just literally, it's not like my hair is straight. I don't know if my hair is anyway. Oh my god. I'm not a professional. I'm sectioning into it just to make my life easier, and so that I don't get flustered, and like this can be as chill a process as possible. But this is what I'm gonna do to the rest of my hair, and then come back and start mixing, and then I'm gonna angle this up and down. I should probably move my electronics on this table, but we'll see what I do. Turn around. There's a video playing in the background. Ignore that. But now if I mix, so I need to put on the gloves, and I'm gonna change the angle of the camera. I'm gonna try and change the angle of the camera a little bit. It's just that this is like the last angle before I actually put this up on my hair, because I like once I start, that's it. Okay. So I had a while ago I was like, oh my god, which one is on which side of me? Because one is on the left, the newer one slash the redder one, and that one on top. I'm a little bit scared, like I'm a little bit scared, but like I understand. But it said first thing to do. I said but color in product. Some gloves. Oh my god, gloves. Yeah. But basically, it was saying you have to make sure that it's not like completely sealed once you're mixing it, because it can, I don't know, if the heat or like the reaction can cause it's like expanding and it might burst the bottle. That would be tragic, wouldn't it? That would be tragic. So it says this. Take it off. Anyway, before I was interrupted, but it said the gel hair color into the bottle containing the developer. I should have to open it by doing this. Empty. Trying to get like all of it out because I don't like waste. Does that make sense? Like, this is like 3 weeks worth of lunch money. Squeeze. There's still some in here, but like I feel like I'm gonna just let it sit like that, and I'm gonna do the next one. Oh my god, like this feels a little bit insane. Like I feel like a chemist. This is more liquidy. It's like a different formula. Ooh, oh my god. Oh, MG. So like this is liquid, but that's the first one is gel. So it was a lot harder to pour in. These are the ones for the top of my hair. Oh! Oh my god! It just started spewing out a little bit, but that's okay. Because I'm not applying that one first. So just want to mix this one first, which is why when I go to start mixing that one, it's like I knew. This is like about to get, I don't know, I feel like this is about to get really, like I want it to mix well, like I don't want to see any white at the bottom. I think I cooked. Like, if you see me try that to the mirror, I literally cannot. Oh my god. Should I go get a mirror that I can look at in front of me? I got a mirror. I feel more comfortable in it. Okay, so I know what I'm going to do. No, let's stick to my guns under the back first because I can't see the back and I will never be able to see the back. That's a lie. I have a mirror behind me and a mirror in front of me. But that's like too much work. So let's start with the back. I honestly do not know what I'm doing. Like, it's like, oh, just apply it to the hair, and I'm like, well, like, how? And I have a lot of hair, so I don't want to. I just squirted like onto my skin. Like I just missed my hair completely, which is fun. Ooh! Starting to like red! It's actually good. But like not evenly, and that's like long. Like I don't want any single strand to be blonde anymore, or orange, or whatever color that my hair is currently. After my semi-permanent hair dye faded out of no, I want it all to be red, or my natural hair color. And I miss my curls. Because before my hair was in my braids, my hair was in a bun basically for 2 weeks because I have my ballet show. So I do indeed miss my curls. Yeah, we're gonna be able to go over the back sections again, but I just really like the front is really important to me. Because I can very much see the front of my hair. I hope I can actually see a difference between the reds once they're applied, because I mean that would be cool to me. I like the idea of something being interesting and different and cool and fun. My circuits like tonight. I don't know if I should try fighting. And my roots, middle section. Oh! Trying to perceive the blind. Survive. Middle section. Nice and technique going on. Okay, now I'm gonna add, oh my god, the towel is not staying, and I literally chose this top because I was like, oh yeah, it can get messed up. Hold on. So yeah, now we're gonna go over all of them with the remaining. Oh my god, my hair is red. So we're gonna go over all of them with the remaining. Yo, the parts that are sectioned off want it on the foot. And they want in right now. They gotta wait. Oh my god, this is just so exciting. Ooh, to see if I see any patches. Cause I won't let you know when you're mine.